Hello parents, just want to go over some things that you have access to. After you go online and go to CNUSD, you click here. You would normally put the email. I'm signed on to one of my students' accounts to show you from a student's perspective. So once you sign in, this is what you'll see. Please go to pre-K through 5th and go all the way down to Pearson easybridge. This is our math curriculum resource. Click on Pearson, and it's in alphabetical order, so just P's at the bottom. And then you can come down here to the right to Pearson Realize, or just click Envision Math 2.0. So I want to go over a couple things here. I have assigned an assignment right here in the red. This is where the students would go. They'll click on Classes, and you'll see count back to subtract on an open number line, quick check. So then they will click here, and the quick check will pop up, and it'll allow them to take the quiz. But if you go back to this page, if your student ever asks a question about, I really struggled, I don't really understand, because the truth is kids lose focus or whatnot. When you choose the green button instead of the red one, this page will pop up. We are just starting topic 5. You can click on this, and you can literally see everything we went over today. I decided to start with 5-2 because the number line concept is a little bit easier for the students. So if you click on here, you'll see what you have access to. Let's play with all of it, okay? Students Edition, you can see here you actually have access to the same book they have. If it says Get Flash, just click on it and hit Allow, and it should pop up. So it's loading, and when it pops up, this is what you will see. So you can see the exact pages that they do in class. The guided practice, the independent, that's part of the independent, and you can see their homework too. So you have access to this. But if you go back, we'll play with it just a little bit more. You can even have them do it interactively. I do this in class a lot. And the interactive book is pretty neat too, because you can go to different pages. So if you go to next, you can go to each page as well, and they can work on them interactively. So they click on this pen here, put red. Evan has 62 baseball cards. He gives 30 cards to Bridget. How many cards does Evan have? We practice cube where they circle the number. Oops. And they underline the question, so they can put 60. Ooh, sorry about that. I'm doing this with my finger instead of the Mimeo, but they have this access on a mouse that's easier, and they go back 10, 20, ooh, and 30. But once you play with it, they'll get a little better. But it's just a neat tool for them to have. So let me go back. Again, going to here, you have access to this from your home. Develop problem-based learning over the same content we're going in class. This is a little bit of an interactive tool for them as well. They can listen to the question, and then they can use the same tools to answer, as well as you can watch the video. Like if I do an anticipatory set where I show the video for the kids. I didn't show it today, but 9 out of 10 times I always show this video that they can refresh on.
How can you subtract using an open number line?
But there's just so many resources for you to help your child as well if they're struggling. There's another video here. Sometimes I assign these videos for homework just to watch it. This is a math, 2-digit math game that they can do. So this is all for every single topic. you have all of this at your fingertips as long as you have internet access. So if they ever struggle with something and you want to help them, you can utilize this resource to have them go back, watch the videos, and maybe do some of the interactive activities as well. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, please message me on Class Dojo.